Hello guys, let's make some one portion salad there. So I'm cutting my cucumber first. If today is your first time, you are welcome. Let's vibe. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. My returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you. So we are coming to prepare some small little salad. So let's cut before we will start the exactly salad I want to prepare. This is cucumber and this cauliflower. So this is my carrots and my lettuce. My carrots, I'll grate it. Yeah. Okay, so we are coming to grate our carrot here. Okay, so this is our carrot. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. This is my tomatoes. Yeah, it's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. So this is our items we are coming to use for our salad. Yeah, this is my lettuce, my tomatoes, my carrots, my cucumber, cauliflower. You see some hot pepper dyes, my hot pepper sauce, and my cream for mixing my salad. Yeah. So now let's start the doings. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. So now let's start. This is my tomatoes, my carrots, my cucumber, my lettuce, my cauliflower. So let's add all together and let's see our mixture doing. Right, for now, let me put my corn. The way that it will be sweet and tasty. All this I'm doing, I don't know how to eat. Sometimes I'm even funny. I love cooking such menu or such recipe, but for me to eat is a problem. I don't know how to eat. I'm so funny. So now I'm coming to add my salad cream. I want to mix it all together before I will add my cream. Yeah. Every day when you made it, no, yeah. When you made it, no, yeah. So we are coming to add our mixed salad. That's my own choice of cream I want to mix my salad. I'm using 3 different kinds of salad cream. both French salad, mixed salad, yeah. So this is the end of our salad there. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. I wish I can eat. Hey. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. They finish. I did finish. This is my salad.